Have you ever felt like your body is running on empty, no matter how much you sleep or eat? What if I told you that your body can actually rebuild itself from the inside out just by eating the right foods? That's right. Today, we're diving into the 5 superfoods that don't just keep you healthy. They literally repair, rebuild, and renew your cells. Whether you're feeling tired, aging faster, or recovering from stress, these foods are like your body's internal construction team, rebuilding everything from your skin and muscles to your gut and brain. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to uncover 5 incredible foods that have the power to rebuild your body from within. These aren't just healthy foods. They're cellular repair foods, packed with nutrients that strengthen your immune system, regenerate tissues, and slow down the aging process. Think of your body as a house. Every cell is a brick, and the food you eat decides whether those bricks are strong or weak. Eat the right foods, and your body rebuilds stronger every single day. Eat the wrong ones, and your house starts to crumble. So, grab your notepad because this video could literally transform your energy, your skin, and your health from the inside out. Let's start with the first food that helps rebuild your body like nothing else. When it comes to rebuilding your body from the inside out, wild salmon is one of the most powerful foods you can eat. Your body is constantly breaking down and repairing tissues, from your muscles to your organs, and that process depends on high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Wild salmon delivers both in perfect balance. The protein in salmon provides your body with essential amino acids, the literal building blocks of life. These amino acids repair damaged muscle fibers, help you recover from workouts faster, and even support the production of new skin and hair cells. Meanwhile, the omega-3 fats, especially DHA and EPA, reduce inflammation throughout the body, allowing healing and regeneration to happen more efficiently. But it doesn't stop there. Omega-3s also support brain health by protecting neurons and promoting new brain cell growth, meaning salmon rebuilds not just your muscles, but your mind too. Unlike processed meats, wild salmon offers clean protein with no inflammation, causing additives. If you want to experience visible results, stronger hair, glowing skin, sharper focus, and faster recovery, try including wild salmon in your meals at least twice a week. Grilled, baked, or even added to salads, it's one of nature's best body rebuilders. Your body recognizes real nourishment, and salmon delivers it in every bite. Now, let's move on to the second food that repairs your body from deep within. If there's one food that truly earns the title of nature's perfect repair kit, it's eggs. Every single egg is a compact powerhouse of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs to rebuild itself from the inside out. When you eat an egg, you're giving your body the same materials it uses to grow new cells, tissues, and hormones, literally helping your body regenerate. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. These amino acids repair damaged muscles, rebuild skin tissues, and even strengthen the lining of your gut, where true healing begins. Plus, eggs are rich in vitamin B12, choline, and vitamin D, nutrients that play a major role in cell production, brain function, and energy metabolism. Choline, in particular, is a hero nutrient most people don't get enough of. It supports your liver in detoxification and helps your brain form new neural connections. That's why people who eat eggs regularly often experience better focus, memory, and energy. And don't fear the yolk. That golden center is loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes and fight cell damage. When you eat whole eggs, you're feeding your body everything it needs to repair and renew at a cellular level. Make eggs a regular part of your morning routine, boiled, scrambled, or poached, and watch your strength, focus, and recovery improve within weeks. If your goal is to rebuild your body from the inside out, especially your joints, skin, and gut, then bone broth is your secret weapon. This ancient superfood has been used for centuries for healing, and modern science finally explains why. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, all of which repair and restore your body's connective tissues. When you simmer bones slowly, the nutrients locked inside, like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, are released into the broth, creating a nutrient-rich liquid that acts like a rebuilding formula for your body. Collagen helps strengthen your skin, reducing wrinkles and improving elasticity. It also supports cartilage and joint repair, making movement smoother and pain-free. But one of bone broth's most powerful effects happens in your gut. The gelatin in broth helps seal tiny holes in the intestinal lining, repairing leaky gut and improving nutrient absorption. A healthy gut means a stronger immune system, better digestion, and more energy, because your body finally starts using what you eat efficiently. Drinking 1 cup of bone broth daily, whether beef, chicken, or fish, provides your body with materials to rebuild tissues, heal the gut, and reduce inflammation from deep within. You can sip it warm, add it to soups, or use it as a base for cooking. Bone broth doesn't just feed your body, it rebuilds it from the foundation up. When it comes to rebuilding your body on a cellular level, few foods work as deeply and effectively as leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, moringa, and collard greens are packed with the essential nutrients your cells need to renew, detoxify, and thrive. These greens are nature's multivitamins, rich in chlorophyll, iron, magnesium, vitamin K, and folate, all of which fuel the body's repair systems. Chlorophyll, the green pigment that gives these plants their color, helps cleanse your blood by binding to toxins and heavy metals, flushing them out of the body. This detoxification process allows your organs, especially your liver and kidneys, to focus on repair rather than defense. Magnesium supports over 300 enzyme functions, including protein synthesis and energy production, giving your cells the resources to rebuild faster. Leafy greens are also anti-inflammatory and alkaline, forming, meaning they help balance your body's pH levels, reduce acidity, and create an environment where healing can actually happen. Plus, folate found in greens assists in DNA repair and the creation of new cells, the true definition of rebuilding from within. Try incorporating a handful of greens into every meal, whether in smoothies, salads, soups, or sautéed dishes. Your skin will glow, your digestion will improve, and your energy will rise as your cells regenerate more efficiently. When you feed your body greens daily, you're not just eating plants. You're fueling pure cellular renewal energy. If your body is constantly exposed to stress, pollution, poor diet, or lack of sleep, it's under attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells and accelerate aging. That's where blueberries come in. These tiny, powerful berries act like antioxidant armor, protecting your cells and helping your body rebuild stronger, healthier versions of itself every single day. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give them their deep blue color. These compounds are among the most potent antioxidants in nature, capable of neutralizing free radicals before they can harm your DNA or cell membranes. This means less oxidative stress, faster recovery, and younger-looking skin, but that's not all. Blueberries also improve brain function and memory by enhancing communication between neurons and protecting brain cells from aging. They help regulate blood sugar, lower inflammation, and strengthen blood vessels, all of which support better oxygen delivery and healing throughout the body. Adding a small handful of blueberries to your diet daily, in smoothies, oatmeal, or as a snack, can make a visible difference over time. Your body will feel more energetic, your mind sharper, and your skin brighter. Think of blueberries as your internal defense team, silently repairing damage and keeping your cells youthful and strong. When combined with other rebuilding foods like salmon, eggs, and greens, they complete the perfect foundation for long-term vitality. Now that you know the 5 powerhouse foods, wild salmon, eggs, bone broth, leafy greens, and blueberries, it's time to understand how they work together to rebuild your body from the inside out. Each food targets a different level of repair, but when combined, they create a powerful synergy that transforms your entire system. Salmon provides the high-quality protein and omega-3 fats needed for muscle repair, brain health, and reduced inflammation. Eggs then complete the process by adding choline, B vitamins, and full-spectrum amino acids that strengthen every cell membrane in your body. Bone broth steps in with collagen and gelatin, literally rebuilding the structure of your skin, joints, and gut lining, the foundation of total health. Meanwhile, leafy greens detoxify and replenish your body with essential minerals like magnesium and iron, keeping your cells oxygenated and energetic. And finally, blueberries defend everything you're rebuilding by acting as a shield against oxidative stress, protecting your new cells from damage. When you eat these foods consistently, not as a one-time fix, but as a lifestyle, your body begins to regenerate naturally. Your energy stabilizes, your skin glows, your recovery improves, and your mood lifts. The magic isn't in one food alone, it's in the combination. Together, they create an environment where healing becomes automatic, and your body rebuilds itself stronger than before. Let's take a moment to understand the science behind how your body actually rebuilds itself from the inside out. Your body is not static, it's constantly renewing. In fact, every 7 to 10 years, almost every cell in your body is replaced. Your skin regenerates every month, your gut lining every few days, and even your bones refresh themselves over time. The key question is, are you rebuilding with high-quality materials or junk? Your body uses the nutrients from food to create new cells, enzymes, and hormones. When you eat nutrient-rich foods like wild salmon, eggs, bone broth, leafy greens, and blueberries, you're providing your body with premium construction material. These nutrients drive 3 main processes: cellular repair, inflammation control, and oxidative protection. Protein and amino acids repair tissues and build muscle. Omega-3 fats reduce chronic inflammation, which otherwise slows healing. Antioxidants from blueberries and greens protect your DNA from free radical damage, keeping your cells youthful and strong. Collagen from bone broth rebuilds connective tissue, while vitamins from eggs and greens help generate energy at the cellular level through your mitochondria, your body's power plants. Science shows that when your diet supports these 3 processes, you literally rebuild a younger body. You feel more energetic, recover faster, and even think more clearly. Your body is a living, self-repairing system, but only when you feed it the tools it needs to thrive. Knowing which foods rebuild, your body is powerful, but the real transformation happens when you make them part of your daily routine. The good news, you don't need to follow a strict diet or expensive plan. Just a few simple adjustments can completely change how your body repairs and renews itself every day. Start your morning with eggs, boiled, poached, or scrambled, alongside a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale. This combo floods your body with protein, vitamins, and minerals to jumpstart cellular repair from the moment you wake up. For lunch, include wild salmon or any fatty fish twice a week. If you don't eat fish, consider plant-based omega-3 sources like chia or flax seeds. Pair that with a colorful salad rich in greens and a handful of blueberries for antioxidant power. In the evening, enjoy a warm bowl of bone broth as a snack or use it as a base for soups and stews. It's perfect for gut healing and overnight body repair. You can even blend it with herbs like turmeric and garlic for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. The key is consistency. Your body rebuilds itself slowly and steadily. So instead of aiming for perfection, focus on making these foods a habit. Within a few weeks, you'll notice better skin, improved digestion, more energy, and faster recovery. Your body rebuilds itself every day, just give it the right fuel. When you start feeding your body the right rebuilding foods, the changes go far beyond what you can see in the mirror. They happen at the deepest cellular level. Within just a few weeks, you'll begin to feel the transformation taking place from the inside out. Your energy levels rise because your cells are finally producing energy efficiently. The inflammation that once caused fatigue, joint stiffness, or skin issues begins to fade. You'll notice your skin glowing, your hair growing stronger, and your muscles recovering faster after physical activity. These aren't random results, they're signs that your body's repair systems are finally working the way they're meant to. Your gut health improves, meaning you absorb nutrients better, and your immune system strengthens naturally. You might even experience better focus, sharper memory, and a calmer mind. Because when your body is nourished, your brain thrives too. And the best part, these changes don't come from expensive supplements or miracle pills. They come from real food, foods your body recognizes, understands, and uses to rebuild itself daily. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's built meal by meal, choice by choice. But once your body starts repairing from within, you'll feel unstoppable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition and health content. Comment below which rebuilding food you'll start adding to your diet today, and let's rebuild stronger together. Flex Sparkles.